Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I got some Artinks. I heard such good things about this from multiple people. I was watching a live, I forget who was doing it, and she just got these and they were so excited. I believe it was Enchanted something, I don't know her username. Anyway, so she was doing a live on these and I have heard of them before, and so I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy them because I've been trying to decide between what's the other ones? The really popular ones. Oh my god, I cannot think of it. The tall gold tip. Anyway, so between Artist something, I don't remember. So yeah, let's get into it. So I just got these in the mail. So excited. Oh, my black exploded. Okay, well, I'll contact them. All right. Use acetone for blending. Use a matte top coat. Nice. So I got the full set. And what I really liked about this is that it had some really cool metallics. So let's go with one. I don't want ink all over myself, so. Oh yeah. That's a good one right there. Yeah. Hopefully they'll just send me a new one because I don't want to deal with that. And then 2. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, these are just so stinking pretty. Alright, so I went ahead and took them out of the package. Again, I'm leaving the black alone, so the one I'm missing right here is the black, which is number 1. And then we have a brown and orange, like crimson type color. Maybe that's more red. This beautiful color. Then we have blue, green, yellow, another crimson, blue, gold, white. This looks like a gold glitter. Or maybe that's, I don't know. This looks like a copper, silver, dark purple, and then this pretty color too. So let's get some swatches. I'm going to probably walk you through 1 or 2 of them. I'm gonna start with 18 because this one looks like it's gonna be my favorite. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna wipe most of it off. Set that to the side so I don't mess it up. Close that cap. This, whoa, that is a strong smell. So I am actually touching the tip, I guess, versus like just dropping alcohol down. I don't know if that is a difference for certain people or not, but that looks so cool. And I like that it doesn't stain. I know that the girl I was watching said it doesn't stain, but I wasn't sure. I used Ugly Duckling's matte top coat, so that is what is on top of this. This is a buttercream. I use buttercreams for both. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the rest of them for you, but I'm not gonna walk through it unless I'm like, okay, girl, that's one we gotta talk about, okay?
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me wanna mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on. And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding.
Hey guys, so update on the black. I still have it. I emailed the company, I believe Sunday, and then they got back to me, I believe on Thursday. During the pandemic, them shipping, them working, I think that's actually a pretty good turnaround time, especially considering, you know, it happens. They said they would not replace it because not more than 50% was gone. So, like, if obviously it's mixed up now, but I would say mine is probably, let's see, like right there, give or take. And the label's off, and I'm a perfectionist, so that really bothers me. The performance of these is great. They're fantastic as performance-wise. The fact that it leaked and you paid full price for a product you're not getting 100% on, that I'm a little indifferent to, because you pay for something and it leaks. I kind of would expect the company to do something. They have on their website saying it may leak, but if it's potentially leaking, why do you have labels that would wipe off? I don't quite get that, because this one I can kind of understand. But like this one, I mean, to clean it, they said to take alcohol and clean it. And I actually used alcohol that time, not acetone. And it just completely wipes off. And I'm, again, a perfectionist, so I want my bottles to look good. So now these will probably be in a drawer, or I'll have to do something like this and do like white labels or like this or something, because that really bothers me. So overall, they're fantastic inks. Less than pleased with customer service, because again, you pay for a full product, you don't get a full product. But on their website, I don't know if it was there before or after. Full disclaimer, I do not know if it was there before, because I was so excited to order them because I watched Enchanted by Kelly. She was doing a review on them, and I literally loved them in that review. So I just went ahead, ordered them. So I don't know if it said it leaked on the website before ordering, but they did refer to it in their email that they potentially will leak. So again, full disclaimer, I don't know if it was there before I ordered or after, but either way, that kind of stinks. I'm not gonna lie. That response wasn't good, in my opinion. However, I mean, Product's really good. Customer service, You get a non-damaged product, great. Hers were not damaged at all, well packaged, and I mean, you saw it was really decently packaged. Everything was in an individual bag, so that's good that this didn't explode on everything else. So that I'm very happy with. So yeah, I would give it a go, knowing you potentially could have less product. And I paid $200 for this, so I'll leave that up to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.